Prepare your wall for papering by scraping off any old paper and debris using a wall scraper, stripper or a stripping knife. You'll find it a lot easier to lift off old paper if you soak it first. For the fastest possible removal of old paper, use a steam stripper. Next, fill any holes and cracks. When the filler is dry, sand it back for a smooth finish. As most walls are not completely square, a plumb bob can be used to mark a vertical line. Hold the string on the wall, and once the bob is steady, mark a line with a pencil, using the string as a guide. The line should be checked using a spirit level. Always check that each roll of wallpaper has the same batch number and that your paste is suitable for it. Mix the wallpaper paste according to the manufacturer's guidelines in an appropriate container. Measure the height of your wall from the ceiling to the top of the skirting. Don't forget to add at least 3 cm extra paper length at both the top and bottom to allow for uneven skirtings or ceilings. Place your paper, design face down, on a table. And then using a pencil, lightly mark down the wall measurements you've just made. Now cut the paper to size using paper hanging scissors. Using a paste brush or roller, apply the paste evenly. Then move the paper along the table and paste the remainder. Don't worry about folding the paper onto itself to move it more easily. Even though they feel flimsy, most wallpapers will withstand a little maneuvering. Just be careful not to tear the paper, it will show when it's on the wall. Working from the top down, put the paper onto the wall and uncurl the folds. Smooth it out using a brush, sponge or smoother, moving outwards from the center to the edges, taking care not to rip the paper. Push the paper into the edge of the skirting board and at the ceiling, making a crease at the top and the bottom. Then cut along the crease with scissors, or you can use a trimming knife and wallpaper cutting guide. Match up the pattern carefully, making sure the edges are butted against each other. If you are using a smooth wallpaper, finish by smoothing down the join with a seam roller. With textured papers, use a paper hanging brush to gently smooth down the join without flattening the texture.